Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick styling video for you guys. This hair is from hjweavebeauty hair, and I am wearing their 24-inch straight lace front wig. This is a really nice wig, you guys. Let me tell you something that I really love about this company, and it is their hairline. You'll see in just a minute. The hairline on this wig pretty much comes ready to wear. The only reason why I'm doing a little bit more additional plucking is just to bring it back a little bit further. And whenever I wear a middle part, I don't really like for the hairline to be so blunt if I can help it. And I had a little bit of time today, so yeah, you just seen me here just pulling a little bit hair to the front and then going back a little bit further and plucking just a little bit. They do not give you a really thick hairline. It's very natural looking, so be careful because you may over pluck this wig. I know that from experience. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be quiet for a second and let you guys watch this, and then I'll be back. So the wig is not super thick. I want to say it's about 150% density, but I will put all the information to this wig down below so that you'll have the exact facts. And just to point out real quick right here, you guys, you see that little gray white cast right there? Not cool. I'm gonna fix that later. I used the Sally Hansen like spray legs, whatever that thing is called, to tint my lace, and yeah, I got a little messy and a little crazy, but that comes off very easily with a little makeup remover. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I'm gonna put all the information to this wig down below. It is a very decent price as well. I believe this wig 24 inches is under $200 or right at $200, which is, I believe, in everyone's budget for a nice quality wig, an easy wig, something very simple. So for all my girls who need something very simple, this is a really great wig for you as well. So if you are someone who is a beginner, or you just don't have a lot of time to deal with a lot of fuss when it comes to maintaining your wig or applying a wig, this will be a great one for you. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to put all the information down below for the third time, and I'm going to let you finish watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys and all your love and all your support, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.